Hey guys, how are you? See, the Vivo's upcoming V15 Pro is in the news a lot these days, whether through leaks or official teasers coming out. The phone will be unveiled on February 20, so there's just a little more waiting you need to do if you are interested in all of the official details. In the meantime, why not take a look at this leaked picture showing a hands-on shot of the back of the blue color version of the V15 Pro, with the periscope-like pop-up selfie camera extended. In the past, we've seen a black/red gradient colored V15 Pro being handled as well, so clearly Vivo has focused a lot on this aspect of the phone's design. The Vivo V15 Pro is expected to have the Snapdragon 675 chipset at the helm, a 48 megapixel rear camera, a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED touchscreen with an in-display fingerprint sensor, 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage, and a 3700 mAh battery. And according to recently leaked Vivo V15 Pro's official promo video, the Vivo V15 Pro will feature a 32 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. Okay guys, that is for now. If you are new here, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notifications to get notified about my future videos. And also share this video, like this video, and comment down your questions in the comment section below. I will show you to answer them. But for now, let's call it a day.